Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to split and trim videos and audios in Canva. Along with this, wait till the end to see how to overlap multiple audios. Let's get started. As you can see, I have imported a video in here, and before showing how to split, let me generate a scenario where you will need to split. So let's say I have a text like this. So this content is about Google Bard. Okay, so Google Bard. Now I, I don't want this text to be present throughout this video. Otherwise it will be weird, it will hide some contents. So now how do I avoid having this text throughout this video? To do that, split the video as long as you want the text to be there. To do that, just you see this pointer, point it where you want to split, place there, split the page. Okay, now the left part, I want these on the left part of the video I want the text to be there. On the right I do not, so I'll just click here and remove it. Now at right part of the video I don't have any text, left part has it. Okay, now next thing, let's say you want to remove unwanted part of the video. For that, let me go here where it is asking me to sign its agreement. I don't want others to see all this. So what I'll do, from here to, I'll place my pointer there, split page from here to here, right where I say agree, I want to split. Then to delete this part, just right click on the video which you want to delete, then delete this page. That is all. One more scenario where you want to split the video is if you want to control the speed of that particular part of the video, like where I am typing. So from here to here I am typing a prompt on Google Bard. I want this part to be fast. So I'll split this from here to time where I have been typing. Split. Now I select the part where I was typing, go to select the part where I was typing, go to playback, split this. Now it will be faster, and these changes will not affect other parts of the video. Now let's go to trim. Trim is quite easy. Let's say you want to trim the last part of the video like this. Just select the part of the video and drag it from the left or right. This is trimming from left to right, left and right. Same thing can be done from here. Click on the scissor, select the part which you want to trim. Click on scissors. Same thing can be done from top as well. Now coming to the audio. Same thing can be done in the audio as well. You can split the audio, delete the audio, or you can speed up the audio as well using audio effects. Now coming to the trick part. Did you know that you can overlap the audio in Canva? To do that, just bring in another audio. You can upload an audio, like go to here, upload this, or you can go to apps, go to audio and select any audio like this. See, you have one audio which is overlapping the existing audio. If I play this, I can see. You can control specific audios as well when you select them. Let's say you want to increase or decrease the volume of one audio and leave the other audio as it is. That is all from this video. By learning that Canva has these features, you can fulfill all your content editing needs using one platform instead of learning so many tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.